Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video we'll be learning how to look at your Instagram creation date on your iPhone or Android. So without any further ado, let's get started on the video. Make sure that your Instagram app is properly installed and updated. After that, you can open your Instagram app and go on the bottom right profile icon, then go on settings. Then scroll down until you see a time spent button. In bottom of that there's account history. Click on that. Then all this comes where you've updated your Instagram account, and on the bottom you can see your account created date. Mine is created on September 2023, but yours will come on the date that this video helps. And see you on the next one. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.